So, Katie, I want to go to the mall.
Okay.
Have you been to the new mall?
Yeah, I actually went there just yesterday.
Okay, so I want to buy some computer stuff. Is there a computer store?
There are two computer stores.
Really? Ooh,
Yeah.
that's good.
There's a computer store on the first floor, and then very close to that, there's also a Mac store.
Ooh, that's perfect. I want to buy a new Mac.
Oh, me too.
They're so expensive, though.
hmm
Okay, what about books? I really like books. Is there a bookstore with English books?
There's a huge bookstore on the fourth floor.
Ooh, that's good.
It's really big, and there are lots of English books you can read there.
Oh, great. Nice. And how about the food there?
The food's okay. There's a big food court on the third floor, and you can get a variety of food. You can get a Subway.
Oh, that's good. I love sandwiches. Is the food good there though?
They don't have any sandwiches that I like at
Oh,
Subway.
really? Okay.
hmm
So, what else is there at the mall?
Oh, there's so much at the mall. There's a cafe on the ground floor
Oh, nice.
if you like drinking coffee.
I do. I like to go and study and just relax.
That's the perfect place for you then.
I like to people watch. Is it a good people watching place?
Oh, it's a great people watching place.
Oh, cool.
The windows are really big and you can see out onto the street.
Oh, cool. What else is there? Is there a movie theater?
There's a movie theater on the fourth floor.
Oh, great. Now, do they have English movies?
They have English and Japanese movies.
Oh, that's good. I should watch some Japanese movies too.
They're interesting.
And how about food? I hear there's a new supermarket, a big supermarket there.
It's pretty big and you can get lots of food there. It's on the first floor.
Okay. Is there anything else I should see?
What about the roof garden?
Oh, what is the roof garden?
It's on the fifth floor and it's on the roof and you can see a beautiful view of the city. And there's also places for you to sit and just enjoy the view.
Oh, nice. A roof garden. I like that.
It's really nice.
Now, do you buy clothes at the mall? Do they have nice clothing shops?
They have, yeah, they have nice clothing shops. Some of them are a little bit expensive,
Yeah.
and I like buying cheap clothes.
Okay. When's a good time to go?
I think the best time to go is probably weekdays.
Okay.
If
Why?
you go on the weekend, there are so many children there, and
Oh,
it's hard to walk around.
yeah, and we're teachers. We teach kids all day. Okay. I don't want to go then.
No, me neither.
Well, I want to go there next week, maybe Thursday night.
Okay.
Do you want to join me?
Yeah, that sounds good. Maybe we can watch a movie.
Cool. I'll buy you dinner.
Sounds great.